In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Sparklines in Google Sheets. Let's suppose we have a burger joint that sells burgers, fries, hot dogs and tacos. And now we're looking for an easy way to see month by month how many of these items we have sold. For this, Sparklines are great because without having to create a real graph, you can quickly see how the sales are going. So let's get started. In order to use Sparkline, you write =, then you write Sparkline, then you open up the brackets. Now you select the data. I'm going to select B4 to B15, and then I set the comma, and now we also have options that we can enter. So for this, we're using the curly brackets 8 and 9. On my keyboard as an example, Alt 8 and 9. And then we can define the color as an example. Let's say we want to have them red. So we type it in like that with quotation marks. And now we just close the bracket and hit enter, and let's see whether it works or not. Yes, perfect. So now you see between January and December the sales of burgers, and you can see there are increased sales here, and there's lower sales right there. So you just quickly see how it's going in terms of sales, and towards December you see that's increasing again. Perfect. Then we can also do other things using Sparklines. Of course, we can also change the line width. I'm just gonna recreate that quickly again. We can also change the line width as an example. Just gonna copy that over right here. Now we see the fries. Let's say the color should be green. And we would like to have a different line width. We're just going to use a semicolon. We write in quotation marks line width, close the quotation marks, set the comma, and then we can define the width. Let's say we want 3, and now we can hit enter. Now, as you can see, it's bolder, this line, it's in green, and we see the sales of fries. But you can also use different Sparklines. You can also use bar charts. So let's do an example with bar charts. We're going to copy this over again so we don't have to write everything. And then for this, we just have to change the chart type. So I'm going to write quotation marks, chart type, close quotation marks, then set the comma. And then we say bar for bar charts. We use a semicolon again, and now let's hit enter. So now we see bar charts. And we see, like, for each month how big the sales are. So like as in February was not very good, we can see that right here. And of course, like when the differences are bigger, it's easier to see, but now we have bar charts. Let's have a look at the fourth example. I'm just going to copy that over again. We don't want to have bar charts, but we want to have column charts. So I'm just going to write column. And let's see how that looks like. This is really nice. We see by columns how big the sales are. We can see like March was a really bad month for tacos, just 2,300 units. So this is how to use Sparklines in Google Sheets. If you want to get better at Google Sheets, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Bye bye.